Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we will see how to make pepper chicken restaurant style at home. This spicy pepper chicken is an awesome side dish for rice or biryani. It can also be served as an appetizer. Let's start cooking. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. In that, I'm adding 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 3 red chilies and 2 green chilies. Fry it for a while. I'm adding 2 onions finely chopped. We need onions to be brown, so it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Saute it well. Add a few curry leaves. Onions are turning brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this till the raw aroma goes away. Let's add the masala powder, 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera, also called cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this a nice mix. This is half kg boneless chicken. This will cook very fast. Within 15 minutes, you can make this dish. This is dry pepper chicken, but you can make pepper chicken gravy by adding some water after sauteing the onion masalas. Add some salt as per your taste. Add very little water, just 2 tablespoons is fine. Mix all of this well. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. The chicken is cooked well. Add some curry leaves. Saute it well. Pepper chicken is also a suggested remedy for cold and fever because of the medicinal properties of pepper. Try this restaurant style pepper chicken. You'll definitely like it. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.